Hi there. Welcome to another edition of the Wayrider Chronicles, the alternative conversation channel. My name is Kim.
Hi there. Another brief discussion about Bitcoin, but from a slightly different perspective. Today, the price of Bitcoin against the US dollar has flown through $70,000, currently trading around about $71,000, up nearly 4%. There has been much talk over in the USA, especially in their financial markets, that what is happening with AI-related stocks, especially with one that is called Nvidia, comparing this market to the dot-com boom at the end of the last millennium. This is possible. There is a lot of euphoria, and you will hear any number of pundits, talking heads, financial experts say this time it's different, which is fine. Nobody can predict the future. With this comparison, a lot of these pundits, talking heads, or whatever you want to call them, are saying is that it's another bubble. One of the more intellectual financial markets explanations of bubble forming relates to something called stretch valuations. Simply put, it just means that the share price, or the price of what we call an asset, be shares, could be commodities like copper, or it could be a currency like the dollar against the euro, or whatever, no longer reflects the real value of the underlying asset. This is especially true of companies. That said, there are many other explanations for bubbles. However, the interesting thing is that nobody can ever agree on what causes bubbles to pop or not before they happen. Many people will come out afterwards and they will say, oh, we should have watched out for that. That's what caused that bubble to pop. Normally, as with most dramatic events, it's not normally one particular thing that causes an abrupt change of direction. Is what popping of the bubble is about. Prices go up and suddenly they go down. We're always talking about inflated prices rather than depressed prices. However, there's one thing that stands out like a sore thumb, is the price of Bitcoin. We have a asset class that suddenly has become open since the beginning of this year via the exchange-traded fund market in the US. It's become open to many individual investors. And nobody wants to miss out on this run-up in the price from whatever it was, $40,000 to now we're over $70,000 per coin. With a noted pundit, who I won't quote, Bitcoin pundit, coming out that we will see very soon 100,000 on the price of Bitcoin. This is all possible. But one has got to wonder that the whole AI and financial market stretched valuation, this bubble that everybody's walking very carefully around, the popping of that bubble may not be the actual stocks themselves involved, but this one here. Time will tell. See you guys.